dear Conflyers. I am Anshu Bora from Confluence World School. Welcome you to the amazing learning of science through this video lesson. Now, in the previous class, I gave you one opening activity based on the chapter number 2 called Components of Food. Now, components, like we eat a variety of food from vegetables to pulses, chapatis, rice, fruits, vegetables, we drink water, we take tea. So there is an n number of food. Now each kind of food or every variety of food has certain components in it which are essential for human for many reasons. Now these components, let's call them nutrients. Now based on your previous knowledge from the previous classes, we know that there are components, there are nutrients that we get from food which are essential for reasons. Now, the components of food, or I call them nutrients of food, like number 1, carbohydrate, proteins, then we have fats, vitamins, and minerals. Now these are the basic 5 nutrients. Now if I talk about carbohydrate, now carbohydrate is basically your energy giving nutrient. So it gives you energy for your daily work. Now a lot of actions, a lot of work that you carry out every day is because of this nutrient. You consume food which has a lot of carbohydrate in it. For example, rice, chapatis, potato. So these all consist of this kind of component or nutrient called carbohydrate. Now proteins. Proteins is basically your bodybuilding food. From a child you become an adult, from adult you keep growing. So basically your body builds up with the help of this nutrient called proteins. Now protein has one more function, like when you have an injury, when you have a cut. So the body has its own mechanism to repair tissues, to repair the damaged cells. And the body is able to repair tissues and or the damaged cell because of the nutrient called proteins. So protein has a 2 major functions. One is to build up your body to help you in growth. Second, to repair tissues. So the 2 function is basically your body builds up, means you can call it growth. Number 2 is repair of tissues in case of any cut or injury. Next is fats. Now fat is also an energy giving food. This fat also gives lots of energy to your body. Like you have oil, nuts, then you have butter. So they all consist of this component called fat. So fat is also known as energy giving nutrient. Now vitamins and minerals. A lot of fruits and vegetables, they consist of these 2 essential nutrients, although they are required in very less amount by your body. Like vitamins and minerals, they are not required in a large quantity. They are required in a very small quantity, but yes, on a daily basis for 2 major reasons. One is protective. They are basically termed as protective food. They protect you from diseases. Now, consuming these 2 components through fruits and vegetables, they help you to protect your body from diseases. Now, what kind of diseases? If you do not consume these 2, then there will be certain diseases called deficiency diseases. Deficiency means due to lack of these 2 in your food. So they cause deficiency diseases due to non-consumption of these 2 nutrients in your food. So now vitamin and minerals, they both are obtained from fruits and vegetables. Now the peels of fruits and vegetables also consist of vitamins and minerals. Now these 5 are the components and the nutrient of food. There are 2 more components which you also require equally along with these nutrients, and these are number 1 water and number 2 roughage. Now water which you drink, you take tea, you drink milk, juices, they all consist of water. Even fruits and vegetables, they also consist of water. When you cut a lemon, you get liquid on your hands. Your hands or your fingers get wet. It means lemon has water. So fruits and vegetables are also source of water. Number 2, roughage. Now roughage is basically in your food comes from the plant products, cereals, then you have like vegetables, fruits, they all add bulk to your food, and this is roughage. Roughage do not give any kind of a nutrient to your body, but yet also an important component, because roughage help to remove the undigested part of food from the body. So roughage is important because it has a function. It helps to remove the undigested part, and roughage comes from the plant product. So I write here roughage. It do not give any nutrient, but yet important because it helps to remove undigested part of the food from the body after digestion. Water is essential to absorb the nutrients from the food. All these nutrients are absorbed because you consume water in your food or in your diet as well. Then water is also essential to get rid of the waste like urine, sweat. So urine and sweat, they consist of water. So water also helps to get the harmful substances to get rid from your body. Now why and how? Because water is a universal solvent. There are many substances which easily dissolve in water and they go out from the body. So roughage and water are the 2 more essential components, but yet they do not give you any kind of nutrient, especially roughage. So this was the topic, components of food. Do make the notes and do write in case of query and questions. Thank you. Now, after understanding the components of food, let's understand the another term called balanced diet. Now balanced diet, a diet which consists of all the nutrients plus water and roughage. Now a diet which has carbohydrate, which has proteins, which has fats, vitamins, minerals, and also consists of water and roughage. Like in a day, you eat chapati, rice, which are carbohydrate source. You take pulses in your diet. You eat egg, meat, drink milk. They all are sources of proteins. You make your food with the help of oil. You consume nuts. You take meat. They all are sources of fats. Then you take fruits, vegetables. They are source of fruits and minerals. You take water. You eat plant food which contribute to roughage. So it means that you are consuming a balanced diet. So a diet which has all the components of food, saying proteins, carbohydrate, fats, vitamin, minerals, roughage and water. So this is called balanced diet. Now what happens if you do not consume balanced diet? So let's explore and answer me that what if a child does not consume balanced diet? What will be the consequences of not consuming balanced diet? So this is the question of the day for you. Do write the answer and share with me. Thank you.